Lumber again with Stu, and we're going to talk about some Trex railing products. So tell me a little bit about what we're going to see today.
What we're going to see is some new Trex railing products. We've sold Trex since 1996, and what we want to show you now is what's new for 2026, 30 years in.
So this one is one that I'm most excited about because we get customers asking about this product all the time. So tell me, what are we looking at here?
So what we're looking at is the Trex X Series cable rail. It's got a unique tensioning system, and it is running about $125 a foot, representing a substantial savings over what we'd experienced before in cable rail.
And what about this product right here?
Isabel, this is another X Series rail product. This is frameless glass. You have half-inch tempered glass, requires no top rail, no bottom rail. What you see is what you get. Fits right into the X Series post, same post that you'd use for the cable rail. Really is a great product.
Yeah, and for any lake homeowners, I think this product is one that really stands out, again, to give you that full view.
People think it looks really great. We've been very popular. It sells a lot.
All right, Stu, so tell me a little bit about this product because it's also new.
Yes, this is Trex Select black rail, black aluminum balusters, black composite top and bottom rail, and the Select post. What this gives you is a dark, in this case, black colored rail at a real affordable price point. It's much less expensive than the rails in the past in this black color.
And from a design perspective, I'm seeing homeowners really want the dark, rich colors. So really cool that this is now available in the Select, giving homeowners a lower cost product.
Exactly.